Hi, I'm Mike Doseck. I am with Ohio State Beekeepers Association. I am top of Ohio district representative. With me today is James Barnhart and Kayla Lennartz. James, you're from where?
I'm from Carroll County. I'm a 4-H member. I was also the winner of the senior competition clock trophy.
And Kayla, you're from?
I'm from Mercer County, and this is my first year beekeeping, and I also participate at the 4-H State Fair.
James, what attracted you to beekeeping as a teenager?
We have our own garden, and I figured the bees would be a neat thing to learn about. I also wanted to improve the pollination around our area.
Kayla, what attracted you to beekeeping as a teenager?
I've always loved little critters, and I always enjoyed taking 4-H projects. And I was at the Ohio State Fair, and I saw the OSBA tent with live bees, and I fell in love with them, so I decided to start, and I've loved them ever since.
James, what do you think is important and necessary to begin beekeeping?
Read up on bees first, make sure it's something you want to do. And then I found a place where I could get the beginner's kit for beekeeping. It's been an ongoing surprise.
Kayla, what do you think is necessary to keep up beekeeping?
I started out with the OSBA Partnership Scholarship through 4-H, and it gave me equipment that was necessary for hives, so I could have that all ready for my bees when I got them, and then I could focus on knowledge. And also networking and finding people to help you and mentors, so finding people who can answer all your questions, attending clubs, finding a club that's near you.
James, what were some of the challenges that you faced?
Right after my first winter, I lost both my hives, and I had to start over. I just became so determined to not let me down. Every time I've lost hives, I've learned something new and I've lost less hives.
Kayla, what are some of the challenges you faced in beekeeping?
Right away this year, I started out with 4 hives, and a month later I lost one of my first hives, and that was a challenge because I had only been, beekeeping for a month at that point. From that, I've learned that, there's some things that are out of your control, and you just have to let it up to nature and figure out what you can do to help.
James, what have you learned through beekeeping and your endeavors?
The bees are a wonderful part of nature. They teach you to be self-reliant. They teach you to be a better person just because of the way they are, the way they act. The beekeeping project is one of the best things that's ever happened in my life.
Kayla, what have you learned in beekeeping and your endeavors with it?
It's taught me a lot of responsibility. It's put a lot of weight on my shoulders. This operation that I have is all mine. The beekeeping world is part of a whole bigger circle that affects lots of other things, so the responsibility has taught me a lot about how little things can affect lots of larger things.
James, what has made this project rewarding for you?
The most rewarding part of this project has been the knowledge I've gained and seeing the work that I've done improve my community and watching progress actually happening, and it makes me feel as if I've had an impact on this world and done something that is worthwhile.
Kayla, what has made this project rewarding for you?
The fact that it has brought me closer to a lot of other people. I have made so many new friends in the beekeeping world, and sharing my knowledge with people who have no idea what beekeeping is about.
James, do you have any advice for any prospective new beekeepers?
No matter the strife, no matter the issue, try. If you fail once, try again. Nothing you do can ever be truly bad. You can learn from the experience. Beekeeping is a great thing to do, and it'll have a huge impact on your life.
Kayla, do you have any advice for any new prospective beekeepers?
To always push through and try. There's always going to be times that are hard, and there's always going to be things that come up, and don't be afraid to try something out of your comfort zone, and just keep pushing forward and try to make an impact on your bees' lives.
Thank you for watching, and I'd like to thank James and Kayla today for their time spent for the interview. I'd also like to thank Tri-County Beekeepers Association and Ohio State Beekeepers Association for helping to get this video online.